Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olivia and I'm 6 years old and also gonna make some banana pancakes. Keep on watching and subscribe to the channel because the pancakes will be very yummy. If you're new to this channel, you can subscribe to it. Egg and bananas, and this is milk, baking powder, vanilla flavor. This is the flour. This is the sugar. And this is my mixing bowl.
Olivia, your pancake is burning.
What?
Hello, though.
What? Now it's cool.
See your light. Burnt pancake. That's what you are making. Are you excited?
So excited.
You guys, this girl is making no, she did good. She's doing good. This is the pancake she's making. She's actually trying. This is her first time doing this, so I will give her a high score because she really did well. You know, only standing in front of this stove is a great deal. Like, no, Olivia, I don't think it's done. Is it? Hold on. Let's see. No, when Olivia, you know it's done when you see some bubbles popping up on top, like this side. You look at this. You see this? You know it's done. You know it's You know it's done when you see those things popping up all over. You see those holes on there?
Yes, that means it's done.
That means it's done. Then you can flip it. Okay, that's what it means. So go ahead and flip that. Do it real good. Olivia. Oh God.
I'm not even good at making pancakes.
No, you keep trying. That's how you learn.
That's what I learned?
Mm-hmm.
How did this thing even work? Yeah, I told you I was bad at making pancakes.
This is your first time, so the next time you do it, you become perfect.
Okay, the hole's popping out. Are they done yet?
Give it a little more time.
Thank you for watching. I appreciate your help, and thank you so much for watching that I made this thing. Give a thumbs up to this channel. Subscribe to this channel, and also subscribe because these yummy pancakes. Thank you for watching this channel, and click to the bell. You also like the channel. You like this yummy pancakes that we made today, and thank you so much for watching this channel today.
Let them see you. How does it taste?
Oh,
Titi,
yummy!
is it yummy? Did Olivia do good?
Do you think I cook well? Oh, you love it. You think I cook well? You don't talk. You love
She said yes. She said yes.
Your
Big sister Olivia did well. Yes,
that's why
baby.
you're both my little baby brother and sister. And I love you both. You love the pancake.
Javan, you a foodie. Hey, little foodie.
He's eating a bunch of the pancake. And I love the pancake. I love